I will take you into the future and show you the next eruption of Mauna Loa. First, here are some facts about this volcano. Did you know that Mauna Loa is the world's largest volcano? It also takes up about half the island's land. Here comes the man of the hour, Professor Jumboliya.
Thank you, Wally, for self-proclaimed Professor Fancy Pants. Like you were saying, the great Professor Jumboliya will take you into the future. There you will see the next eruption of Mauna Loa. Now, all we have to do is go into the future. All you have to do is listen to this soothing, relaxing music.
So calm.
We're here in the future.
All right.
Look, my
It's
feet
about
are
to erupt.
shaking. Wow, that was really something.
I caught some tinsel.
Look at my face over it.
That was really something, Professor
Yeah.
Jumboliya.
I caught some tinsel.
Any questions for Professor Fancy Pants?
And Jumboliya.
Has it ever erupted before and caused trouble?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I have a question.
33 times.
I have a question. Why is Dr. Jumboliya so tall?
She's natural.
Any questions not concerning my hair?
Zach, behind you.
Would the volcano really erupt or really erupt tinsel or tinsel?
Yo, Chris.
Next question.
Where'd you get your hair?
Next question.
Okay.
questions, please.
Is it very dangerous?
The
Like,
volcano or the actual volcano?
No, it's the actual volcano.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah, it's
has it
actually-
has it caused many deaths and
It's
stuff?
actually one of the most deadliest volcanoes in the world.
That's bad.
Yep, sorry.
Since we're preparing for the future, what should we do?
What year?
What should we do? What's this fire gonna look like 20 years from now?
Take a plane out of there as soon as the starts exploding.
Why is your hair shaped like a volcano,
Next question.
I have a question. I have a question about the real volcano.
What?
When will it erupt?
Nobody knows.
Good.
It actually had 33 eruptions, and the last eruption was in, like, 1989.
It's 2009.
Alright, that's it. Let's move